AllAroundLala, and I am back with another YouTube video. And today I will be teaching you how to get this Mean Girls heart cut crease. Like, that was like my inspiration, like Mean Girls, how we wear pink on Wednesdays and stuff like that. But yeah, so I decided to go with more of a grungy lip because I wanted to be Mean Girls themed. And also, this is my first time ever doing a heart cut crease, and I think I did pretty good. But anyways, before we hop into this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't mind the concealer on my hand, but yeah. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment below any suggestions that you have for my channel or any videos that you would like me to do, because I will do it. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'm on the journey to 500 subscribers. And I mean, we climbing just a little bit. So it would mean the world to me if you would hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So first, I want to hop into brows. And for brows, I will be using my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil.
Sometimes I need to be alone. Don't kill my vibe, don't kill my vibe, cause I could feel your energy from 2.2 8. Got my drink, I got my music, I can share it with today. I'm yelling, don't kill my vibe, don't kill my vibe, don't kill my vibe, don't you kill my vibe, don't kill my vibe, don't kill my vibe, don't you kill my vibe.
My brows filled in, I'm about to go into my Makeup Revolution concealers in the shades C8 and C11.
No way, hit the streets and we break the code. No way, hit the brakes and we on patrol. No way, money trees is a perfect place to shade, and that's just how I feel. $1 night, yeah, that's just how I feel. To the face, forget that 12 bottles in the case, forget that 2 pills and a halfway.
So now that my brows are cleaned up, I'm about to take my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C8 and prime my eyelids.
Hold up, see the big stuff popping, everybody's watching when you do it like me.
First shade I'm going to take is this red shade right here, and I'm going to mix that with this pink shade down here.
I feel this mad city now run, yeah, that's just how I feel.
What I'm actually about to do is take a bit of my flower powder and set like around the outermost part of this eyeshadow, and this will just make it more like blended and more diffused looking. And the reason I don't set my eyes is because the pigment, but when you don't set it, it does make it a lot harder to blend, which I mean, it's not that bad, but it does make it a little, you just have to blend more. But for the most part, I mean, I really like it. But I just want to try this technique out because I saw it from what is her name? I think her channel name is Makeup Tiffany J, but her makeup is bomb. Like, her makeup is so good, and this is what she does, so I just wanted to try it out. So I'm about to just set my set, and then I'll go in with the next color. So I'm about to go in with this pink and this one. I'm about to mix the two because I don't want it to be too ashy with this pink, but I want it to be light enough to be an actual like blending color or transition color. So, yeah. blend it out, I am going into my Juvia's Place Sahara 2 palette, and I will be going into the shade, what shade is this? Zora. And it's this one right here. So now that I have the shadow blended out, what I don't need nothing else but give me your location, and focus on communication, 'cause I don't need your diamond place. What I am about to do is go into my Anastasia Soft Glam palette and take that shade Mulberry, but I'm going to mix it with that bright pink color from the James Charles palette just to keep the tone the same, because like we saw in my last tutorial, this color is pretty brown rather than red. So yeah, we just want to keep that pink color, that pinkish red looking color. I don't need nothing else but I don't focus on communication, 'cause I don't need the diamond So I'm about to go ahead and cut my crease now, and the way I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna do like a heart. So it's gonna be cut and then it's gonna be like a heart over here. So y'all will see once it's like completed. But yeah, I'm excited. I don't know how this is about to turn out. I'm kind of nervous, but you know, we trying new stuff. Like, I mean, the worst that's gonna happen is that it's not gonna turn out right and I just do a regular cut crease. So we're gonna see how it turns out. In the thunder and rain, you stare into my eyes. I can feel your haze. I recognize your fragrance. Hold up. So I got one heart finished and it's actually really cute. So what I'm gonna do is tap this heart out and just make sure that concealer is like blended. And what I'm going to do is actually set this side first before I move on to the other side, because I don't want this side to crease while I'm working on the other. Well, I don't want it to transfer while I'm working on the other side, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it with powder, so if it does transfer, it's not like really major to where it'll affect the whole look. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. Notice what you want. Poetic justice, put it in a song, alright. So the first color I'm going to go into is going to be this hot pink. Then I'm going to go into this pink, and I'm going to end with white. Don't kill my vibe, don't kill my vibe, 'cause I could feel your energy from 2 into it. What I am about to do is go into my Carity palette, which is this one, the Carity palette 21 color palette. And I'm going into the white shade because it's more pigmented than the James Charles palette, and I want this white to really pop. Kill my vibe, be the last one out to get the stove. No way, love one of your bucket-headed hoes. No way, hit the streets and we break the code. No way, hit the brakes and we on patrol. No way, money trees is a perfect place to shade, and that's just how I feel. A dollar my look is just turning out so cute. Like, this eyeshadow is so bomb. Like, I'm really like so happy about the way this look is turning out. So now I'm about to go in with this e.l.f. primer. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen like my pictures and stuff, and you've seen like my captions. So I like my captions either to be like sassy, or I like it to go with whatever my look is. So for my caption for this picture, I'm gonna put Regina George Could Never, because could never. So I'm about to just go ahead and move on to foundation, and the foundation that I'll be taking is the Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup, and it says that it's an oil-free foundation. So this is what the bottle looks like, and it had like a little coupon on here that I took off, so yeah. But I've read like really nice reviews about this stuff, and I've been wanting to try it because I've used Black Radiance pressed powders, and those are bomb. So I wanted to try some other products from Black Radiance. So I have the shade Bisque. So I'm going to just go ahead and apply this. And yeah.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride.
So for concealer, I am going in with my Makeup Revolution concealers in the shade C8 and C11.
At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my heart. Damn me to understand nothing. Go a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location,
so now I'm about to go in and set my concealer, and I'm going into my Beauty Bakery flour powder. So now I'm about to bronze and contour using my Black Radiance pressed powder and my Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, and then this powder is in the shade Ebony.
I don't need nothing else to say. I don't send me your location, let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. Give me your location, let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place to come, time and place to come. Your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say.
So for blush, I'm going into the Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette, and this is volume 2, and I'll be going into this shade right here called Lena. I am about to give my face a spritz of Fix Plus, and this is just the regular Fix Plus. So don't mind this down here. I'm about to go ahead and fix that. But for a highlighter, I am going into my Anastasia Glow Kit, and this is the Ultimate Glow Kit. And I will be going into the shade Amber Gold, which is this one right here.
Thunder and rain stare into my eyes. I can feel your hands moving up my thighs. In the thunder and rain, you stare into my.
So So on my lower lash line, I'm going to take this shade right here from Juvia's Place.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up. You ain't never gotta.
I'm going to take that bright pink from the James Charles palette.
A little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on it.
I am definitely feeling a gloss for this look, but first I'm going to take my NYX lip liner in the shade Mahogany.
Flower bloomed in a dark room, would he trust? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. Anytime you can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I notice what you want. Poetic justice, put it in a song, alright. The fingers I'm understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Don't kill my vibe, don't kill.
If I had a lip color, if I had a lipstick that was the color of this lip liner, I would honestly go with that because that's just super cute. But what I am about to do is take the Anastasia lipstick in the shade Latte.
Don't you kill my vibe. Be the last one out to get the stove. No way.
Close to the lip liner. That's what I was going for. It's a bit more muted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some more of the lip liner and go over it so it can blend into the lipstick.
A dynamite. Yeah, that's just how
So what I did for gloss, I actually went in with this Bare Minerals gloss, and it's I believe it's like a little sample gloss, but it's in the shade Socialite. If I can't see that, it's pretty small, but yeah, it's just this Bare Minerals sparkly pink lip gloss, and I got it in like one of those Christmas things where you open it up each day. So yeah, but this is what the final look looks like, and it is super pretty.
stuff popping, everybody's watching when you do it like me. Losing ain't an option, hold up. Money trees is a perfect place to shine. That's just how I feel. This mad city now run, yeah, that's just how I feel.
So this is the final look, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment below any suggestions that you have for my channel or any videos you would like me to film, because I will do it. And also, you already know, don't forget to subscribe, because I am on the journey to 500 subscribers, and I'm climbing just a little bit, but yeah, I'm on a journey to 500 subscribers, and I will be very, very grateful if you would subscribe. And you already know what I'm about to say. If you made it to the end of this video, you already know you a real MVP, period. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and bye guys.